Welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Twija and I am super glad to see you on my channel. If you're here for the first time, I make DIY videos for home decor. And if you love making them just the way I do, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and comment on the video. And without wasting a second, let's get started. Okay, so I got these beautiful pine cones from dollar store. They come in a pack of 4. They are scented one and the well polished one. So usually pine cone sizes is the one that you can see on the left side. They come in a pretty smaller size, but the one that I got from dollar store, they were pretty big, and I knew what I'm gonna do with that, so I got that in the bigger size. One thing to keep in mind that it needs to have the flat surface, so you can put a candle on that and it stands pretty well. Now then, I had this tea light candle which I was going to put on the pine cones, just because the top surface of the pine cones, they were not pretty good, so I had to cut down few petals from that. Now it looks easy, but it was not. I had to use plier to cut down the petals. I spent a good 15 or 20 minutes with one pine cone because it had a pretty intense thing going in the center. It had a kind of roots kind of thing that was not letting go of the pine cone petals, so I actually had to use plier to cut down each and every petal, and even after that I had to cut down few roots that was coming out from that. Then I had the tea light candle which I measured just to check that if I'm having the good surface to hold the tea light candle. Now for the second one was pretty hard. It was pretty thick, and that was the hardest one that I had. If you can see, there are roots and everything that is going on inside, so I had to cut down those with the scissor as well, and then I put the tea light candle on that. So the second one was ready. So the second one was pretty smaller than the first one though. Now I had 3 pine cones. The first one was pretty big, second one was medium size, and the third one was pretty smaller one. And just to make sure that it stands well on the flat surface, I had to sand them on the sandpaper. Even though it came with the flat surface, I just wanted to make sure that I'm doing it right, so I sanded them all from the base so it can stand pretty well. And once I was done, I used glue gun to stick the tea light candles, because I did not want it to take chance. Yes, pine cones were able to hold the tea light candle. It's just that I wanted it to be pretty sturdy. I used good amount of glue, and make sure that it's not coming out from edges, which you can actually see. And this is how I made it. Thank you so much for tuning in, and if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to engage with my channel by liking, sharing, commenting and subscribing to the channel. That helps me to create my YouTube community. And once again, thank you so much, and I will see you all in the next video.